Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan selamat sejahtera dan selamat malam. Alhamdulillah kita bertemu lagi dalam topik mengaji tulis tesis di level yang kedua untuk siri yang ke-19 dan 23. Jadi untuk video kali ini menggabungkan daripada siri ke-19 ke 23 dan tema yang sangat penting dalam penulisan literature review iaitu however, walau bagaimanapun. Walaupun nampak simple melalui penyiasatan pakcik untuk kajian social science especially, dan ada juga dalam sains, memang however digunakan dalam penulisan, terutama dalam bab 2. Ada juga yang pakcik jumpa dalam abstract. Jadi abstract pun ada yang letak however. Jadi kalau kita nak nampak reflections, nak nampakkan perbandingan apa yang berlaku sekarang, apa nak beri penumpuan, kemudian nak menggambarkan apa kekurangan atau kelebihan. Jadi penggunaan however adalah menjadi pilihan kepada penulis untuk meng-highlightkan sesuatu yang berbeza atau unik. Okay? Jadi kita bedah melihat beberapa lagi, 20 lebih saya ingat, perenggan yang melibatkan however, supaya you ada banyak pilihan dan contoh dalam menulis dalam tesis untuk belajar walau bagaimanapun. Okay, kita akan bedah dan bincang perenggan pilihan dalam menulis however, kajian literatur. Okay, kita terus kepada tesis yang pertama daripada Junzhou, Coordinating the Elderly Healthcare Service Supply Chain in China. Okay, ini daripada University of Hong Kong, PhD. So, dia mulakan ayat jadi saya ambil perenggan yang berada dalam literature review. Thirdly, supply chain coordination has been studied in many industries. Jadi ini kita belajar, dah lama tak buat video, jadi kita pun boleh belajar. So dia kata, okay, contohlah ke atas perenggan tu ada firstly, secondly, so ni thirdly, supply chain coordination has been studied in many industries. Itu introduction. However, dan dia start dengan however, few if any study has addressed the coordination of EHS system with supply chain setting. Mula cakap banyak dah orang study supply chain coordination. Walau bagaimanapun, hanya sedikit yang mengkaji coordination tu berkaitan dengan topik dia lah. Coordination dalam EHS system with supply chain setting. Jadi kita boleh belajar tu penulisan ayat tu. Jadi kat bawah tu adalah kesinambungan dia lah, tapi pakcik nak tekan kat sini adalah penggunaan perkataan however tu. And mula-mula dah cerita banyak dekat industri ni banyak study supply chain. Walau bagaimanapun, few if any study has addressed the coordination of the topik EHS system with supply chain setting. So kita boleh belajar yang ni. Okay, kita pergi yang nombor 2. Laissez-faire leadership, team knowledge exchange and team performance. Itu tajuk tesis dia daripada Junzhou, kan? Ini tesis bulan Ogos 2020. Okey, dia ada satu ayat however di ayat yang pertama, kedua, yang ketiga. So saya baca daripada atas. Little is known about how the effect destructive leadership can be influenced by interdependence. Once, relevant study found that the relationship between abusive supervisions and team proactive behavior is stronger with the high level of leader-member interdependence. Ada scholar lah, Ruscio and Auby 2018. However, the study focused mainly on leader-member interdependence rather than on how the member depend on each other. Jadi dia strengthen kat sini, dia meletakkan perkataan however. The study focus mainly on leader-member interdependence. Kalau yang sebelum ni, dia cerita pasal destructive leadership can be influenced by independence. Lepas tu dia kata, one of the relevant study found that relationship between abusive supervision and team proactive behavior is stronger with high-level leader-member interdependence. However, the study focus mainly on leader-member interdependence rather than on how the member depend on each other. Itu yang dia nak highlight sekarang kat sini. Rather than on how, bagaimana the member depend on each other. Jadi dia nak nampakkan banyak orang kaji dan berkaitan dengan apa on leader member independent rather than on how the member depend on each other. So, itu yang point nombor 2 lah. Okay, contoh nombor 2. Contoh nombor 3, topik dia adalah perception and use of new tobacco products among youth and adults in Hong Kong. So ni Wu Yongda, okay, tesis 2019. Sepanjang ayat dia start dengan the lack of a perspective association between AC, use of smoking, cessation may be explained by fact that only a few smokers, 55.5% using nicotine containing AC in this study. Although AC use can mimic smoking behavior, the effect nicotine-free AC on quit cigarette in weaker than a AC containing nicotine in adults. Okay, kemudian ada cerita new generation AC which have improved nicotine delivery system have been found to be more effective in relief cravings and promoting cessation in the adult. However, nicotine contained AC may not, ni nak highlight ni, nicotine containing AC may not be effective in adolescent with such product could be indeed help adult quit cigarette smoking as corroborated by NLT study. No study investigate the cessation effect of nicotine containing AC in the adolescents. In this regard, subgroup analysis of nicotine AC use is not feasible in present study because few smoker use such AC. Jadi dia nak beritahu kat sini, walaupun situasi yang general ni macam ni, tetapi dia nak beritahu, however, nicotine containing AC may not be effective in adolescents even if such product could indeed help adult quit cigarette smoking as corroborated by NLT study. Itu dia walaupun satu kenyataan cakap macam ni, dia counter balik. However, ada perkara ni yang tidak memberi efek. Okay, itu contoh yang menggunakan perkataan however. Kita pergi contoh yang keempat, daripada Lau Kayan, tajuk dia Evaluation of Rapid Antigen Detection Kit for Detection of SARS-CoV-2 COVID-2 ni in repository sample of COVID-19 patient in Hong Kong. Okay, saya nak beritahu kebanyakan contoh yang saya ambil daripada 23 ni datang daripada website HKU Scholar. Tapi banyak Hong Kong lah. Saya suka daripada Hong Kong database ni sebab banyak kajian-kajian baru dan contoh ni. Ni tesis bulan Julai 2020 pun kita boleh dapat full access. Okay, ada beberapa ayat kat sini, dia cerita lah ada satu literature, dia cakap others, from literature lah, tapi panjang sikit lah Others advantage include determination of correct transmission, a case fatality ratio which make public health body able to model spread of disease and guide healthcare policy, as well as measurement of serum antibody for determining immune response in patient which have evaluation for imperative COVID-19 vaccines. So ini cerita macam positif lah, beritahu antibody, determining immune response patient will have prevention for imperative COVID-19. However, dia ceritalah pun cerita. However, some patient, ni nak cerita sebaliknya. However, some patient may not produce detectable antibody after infection as antibody level could decay as time pass by to the level below the limit of detection. The length of time of IgM and IgG antibodies stay detectable after infection is not known. So ini contoh nak menunjukkan bahawa secara lazim dia begini. Namun ada juga terdapat beberapa kes macam itulah, ataupun ada cara kesnya some patient may not produce. Okay, kita bagi contoh yang kelima, Big Data in Construction Project Management Prospect and Challenge by Chen He. Dia ada panjang perenggan ni, dia start dengan over the very early stage from 19 to 1970s. Project management was about planning and control. Sudah cerita sampai perenggan ni kan. Wauban clarify a project with information on the background, project detail, cost estimation and project characteristic. Dan dia kata dalam cerita development of project management ni, Wauban clarify a project with information on the background, project detail, cost estimation and project characteristic. However, project management was still not systematically defined. Walaupun dia kata walaupun kita clarifikan projek tu dengan bermaklumatkan tentang background, detail projek, estimation cost dan juga karakteristik projek, namun however project management was still not systematically defined. Tu dia nak jelaskan. Jadi kalau orang tanya kalau nak menulis synthesize ni lah. Ni kelebihannya gunakan however. Jadi nak nampakkan kematangan dalam student PhD thesis especially itu yang membezakan student degree ataupun master by project. Kalau master by research ataupun master by mixed modes should be dia dah kena faham masa bila nak gunakan however. Jadi bila kita melihat penilaian tengok perkataan however ni bukan satu benda yang biasalah. Kita akan nampak okey ada dia buat however tu kita interest nak tahu apa dia punya, dia nak shift tu dalam konteks apa. Sebab dia ada perbincangan. Bila ada however memang kita jelas memang wujud perbincangan bila ada perkataan however tu. Okey, kita pergi tajuk yang ke-6, helps health related quality offline and behavior among children among low income families. So ni tesis 2019 by Rosa. So there is kita start satu perenggan ni. Although BMI is frequently used to assess child physical growth, little is known about the relationship between BMI and emotion and social well-being in children. On other biological parameters such as proteins have been used to study on the mental health of children because of their sensitivity to acute stress. However, this hormone fluctuate throughout the day and the assay may require blood taking. With the difficult to administer children, bla bla bla. So dia nak cerita walaupun dalam situasi sama macam tadi situasi begini, namun kita boleh tengok walau bagaimanapun kita dalam kes ni however this hormone fluctuate throughout the day and the assay may require blood taking. Okay, yang ketujuh daripada Healthcare Analytic of Chronic Disease Management and Deep Learning Approach 2020 LI Wen Min nama authors dia. Recent studies have shown that analyze the social media posting, it is possible to find people showing depression symptom through manual evaluation or machine clarified approach. However, it has also been reported and traditional clarification method may not effective perform to clarify the task because difficulty extracting the sub meaning hidden in the social media writing. So nak cerita sebaliknya lah. Mula dia beritahu, dia kata based on it is possible to find people showing depression system through manual evaluation or machine classified approach. So dia beritahu, however, it has also been reported that traditional classification method may not effective perform the classified task. Itu dia kontra lah. Walaupun kita patut buat macam ni, tapi ada juga dalam situasi dia nak gunakan however di situ. Tajuk yang ke-8, Mathematical Modeling in the Production, Operation and Finance by He Wan Hua, tesis 2019. Okay, they mention supply chain management provide proper incentives so that supplier reveal his cost information truthfully over time. Since supplier cost information and individual stage crucial determine the buyer switching decision. Blah 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 blah. So the effect of cooperative advertising between manufacturer and retailer has been investigated. See for instance Ahmad Javid and Henpo Bagardani. However, however nak tunjukkan gap. However, little is known for the coordination between manufacturer and advertising agency, which is also common in the modern manufacturing industry. So di situ commonly dalam supply chain, so give the information, kita buat buyer switching decision. Tapi dia beritahu saya, however, little is known for the coordination between manufacturer and advertising agency, which is also common in a modern manufacturing industry. Okay, kita terlepas pandang yang itulah. Okay, yang ke-9, implementing competence-based kindergarten teacher education in China. The case study of Hubei University of Art and Science. We Wang, September 2019. Okay, dia punya ayat kat sini saya baca. HEI objective have been introduced to encourage students to obtain more competency. However, a mismatch between higher education outcome and employee expectation persists. Walaupun high education institution, objektif adalah untuk introduce, encourage, menggalakkan student supaya obtain more kompetensi. Walau bagaimanapun, however, a mismatch between higher education outcome and employer expectation persists. Dia tunjukkan walaupun HEI, Higher Education Institution, memang kita nak meningkatkan competencies, tetapi apa yang berlaku sekarang ni macam mismatch antara employer from the industry and juga outcome daripada higher education. Okay, tajuk yang ke-10, a study on the public relations of communication scholar in Hong Kong higher education sector by Lennon 2019. Okay, to determine whether communication scholar want to consider as communication academics of communication practitioner, it is necessary to find out how they identify themselves. In other words, okay, ini memang gunakan in other words, their role identity must be studied. Communication scholar might not take of the professional practice as much as medical scholar and law scholar do. However, communication scholar can still contribute to the corresponding industry in society in other way. Okay, saya ambil ayat ni. Communication scholar might not take on the professional practice as much as medical scholar and law scholar do. Okay, itu kena cerita communication scholar lah. However, communication scholar can still contribute to the corresponding industry in society in other ways. Itu dah tunjukkan. Walaupun communication scholar cerita, tapi dia strengthenkan balik. Communication scholar can still contribute to the industry in society in other ways. Tajuk yang ke-11, application of mediation modeling technique in social science research. Okay, menarik topik ni application mediation modeling technique in social science research application. Okay, daripada Fong Chun, tesis 2019. Methodological literature has contributed to significant advance in mediation analysis in the past decade. So banyak kan orang cerita pasal literature review berkaitan dengan mediation analysis. However, this modern technique is not well known among applied research application is substantive research lag behind. Walaupun dia kata banyak orang bincang berkaitan metodologi berkaitan dengan advance in mediation analysis, walau bagaimanapun, however, in the modern technique are not well known among applied research and application in substantive research lag behind. Tu dia strengthen kat situ lah. Dia kontra yang tu. Okay, tajuk yang ke-12, how teacher manage exemplar use, a grounded theory of English and of academic purpose teachers by Philip Smith, May 2019. The result for student largely mirror those in ni scholar lah. Russ et al. Student found that exemplar useful. They want to see a range of answer they feel they could easily use the exemplar as the template. Student, however, were not that confident in feeling they could be complete the assignment well. And so kita punya expectation, student found that example useful. They want to see range of answer and they feel they could easily use the example as a template. Student, however, walaupun bagaimanapun, were not that confident in feeling they could complete the assignment well. Bukan itu saja, tetapi student juga. Okay, Tajuk yang ke-13, secondary school teachers readiness for using information technology IT in mathematics teaching via concern-based adoption model CBAM. Ni Lee Chung Hing, May 2019. He discovered that teacher tends to have more intense self-concern during the early stage of the introduction of an innovation. However, during the final stage, when teacher fully understand the innovation and comfortable using in the classroom, the teacher will normally demonstrate strong task-related concern, which tend to indicate a successful adaptation of technology to the teacher pedagogy. Jadi dia tunjukkan, saya ulang balik Mula dia cerita teacher discovered more intense self-concern during the early stage. Tapi dia beritahu, however, during the final stage, when teacher fully understand, dia dah betul-betul faham pasal inovasi ni, they are comfortable using the classroom. Memanglah apa-apa keadaan pun pada peringkat awal adalah cabaran dia. Tapi last kali kita akan dapatlah keindahan. Okay, yang ke-14, relationship development on Twitter, a mixed method approach to trust building and social capital accruals. So kalau kita tengok ni macam-macam kan, kita belajar. Kalau tengok tajuk daripada Hong Kong City University ni macam ni topik berkaitan a mixed method approach, trust building and social capital accrual. Ni satu topik baru juga sebenarnya. Okay, this prevalence alone make Twitter an important area for investigation for empirical study. However, Twitter and Facebook have several important difference in how their user can interact and build relationship. We suggest the research on Twitter could help broaden our understanding of how SNS the modern interaction shape interpersonal relationship. So dia nak kata walaupun dia kata the prevalent alone make Twitter an important area to investigate and break case study, however Twitter and Facebook have several important difference. So dia nak tunjukkan. Okay. Tajuk yang ke-15, a study on achieving corporation business performance via implementation of knowledge management. Okay, while Vaughan 1998 gradually began agree that IC refer to the intangible asset, the definition and component of IC is still controversial. A myriad of models were created to determine the component of IC. However, framework differ due to various assumptions. Dia masuk kat tengah-tengah tu. However, framework differ due to various assumptions. So kalau macam kita nak beritahu, okay, macam ni keadaan dia. So myriad model pun was created determine the component of IC. Tapi kita nak beritahu yang beza je. However, framework differ due to the various assumptions. Tajuk yang ke-16, effective of adventure-based training program in enhancing competence, resilience and self-efficiency enhancing student prepare clinical practicum, a random control trials. Okay, ini dari Kuan 2019. Therefore, nursing educator feel a great responsibility to train up qualified nursing freshmen to enter the healthcare workforce to relieve frontline stress and improve patient quality of health. However, ini ayat yang kita boleh ambil sebenarnya. However, the gap has increased in the 21st centuries. There is no excuse to ignore to roots problems and its consequence. Nampak tak? Ini ayat yang ni antara ayat yang best lah. Ayat yang best yang kita dapat jumpa. However ni, mula-mula dia kata nursing educator feel a great responsibility to train up qualified nursing freshmen to enter the healthcare workforce to relieve frontline stress and improve patient quality and health. However, the gap of increase the 21st century, there is no excuse to ignore the roots problem and its consequence. Dari ayat ni. Kita tajuk yang ke-17, resilience in Chinese migrant women in Hong Kong, conceptualization, measurement and association with adaptation outcome. Ini tesis 2019. Kita ambil ayat kan. The migrants predominantly unskilled young male begin to encounter some adaptation difficulties in the social and economic domains and experience some of psychological issues. However, most of them begin to show signs of successful adaptation with 1 year of their arrival, according to both study conducted by the Hong Kong Council of the Social Service and Ling Nam College. Nampak tak ayat kat sini? Macam dia nak tunjukkan lagi lah. However, most of them begin to show sign of successful adaptation within 1 year of their arrival. Itu dia punya nak tunjuk. Okay. Ke-18 oleh Mo Wing, tajuk dia Developing Student Intercultural Competence through Inquiry-Based Learning. Ini tesis 2019. Some research, dia start ayat awal ni, kita biasa however tengah-tengah bawah ni, awal lagi kita main however. Some research, however, has reported that technology does not always support learning due some technology having more entertainment element than education element, which can be disruptive to learner. Ayat dia, some researcher, however, has reported that technology does not always support learning due to some technology having more entertainment element than education element. Itu nak tunjukkan. Mulaan ayat boleh gunakan however juga. So tajuk yang ke-19, oral health promotion among preschool children with intellectual and development disabilities. Okay, ini tesis 2019 oleh Zhong Mi. Okay, ayat dia, determining the oral health status among individuals with IDD was essential for advocating for the oral health promotion activities among this population. However, conflicting evidence exists regarding the oral health status of children and adolescents. Dia nak tunjukkan walaupun this is essential for advocating further oral health promotion activity among this population, however, conflicts evidence exists regarding the oral health status of children and adolescents. Okay. Okay, tajuk yang ke-20, organizational and individual work-related factor on longitudinalness, employee outcome and productivity cost. Ini dengan Min Juliana. Nampak tak kat sini dah orang dah main tajuk healthcare, nursing, dah go to the production. Something like healthcare pun dah macam production. Okay, 2019 tesis oleh Ganma Juliana Louis. Okay, a quantitative study have also identified that employees were more likely to go to work while sick in face of highest workload level. Saya ulang balik. Quantitative study have also identified that employees were more likely to go to work while sick in face of high workload level. However, the impact of seasonal induced workload on nurse presenteeism behavior remain unexplored. And walaupun kita kata memang kita tahu kerja nurse memang workload dia memang tinggi. Dia kata walau bagaimanapun, however, the impact of seasonal induced workload on nursing presenteeism behavior remain unexplored. Tajuk ni dah jadi research kan? Tajuk yang 21, Leader Environment and Economic Growth oleh Jan Lu. Simple tajuk dia. Itulah kita duduk kat Malaysia tengok. Tesis minum negara, tajuk straightforward je. Okay, kat sini saya baca ada scholar Yong et al. Make use 2000 to 2009 data to analyze the impact of transportation in infrastructure on economic growth and political leader promotion probability. However, environmental spending seem much unrelated with their promotion. Nampak tak? Digunakan however. Okay, 22, the impact of teacher well-being and teacher performance on early Chinese learning. A coaching approach. Saya ulang the impact of teacher well-being and teacher performance on early Chinese learning, a coaching approach. Tajuk dia menarik, tesis 2020. Okay, and as just illustrated in the previous section, classroom coaching has been shown to promote teachers' self-efficacy. Dan kita tahu previous section, classroom coaching has been shown that to promote teachers' self-efficacy. However, limited research was done to explore. Ini lagi sekali nak tunjukkan dalam pendidikan gap dia. However, limited research was done to explore whether classroom coaching is an effective means to reduce burnout and promote job satisfaction among teachers. Jadi betul ke? Kajian yang menengok pada classroom coaching ni boleh tengok beri kesan kepada burnout ataupun meningkatkan kepuasan bekerja. Okay, tajuk yang ke-23, Literacy Practice in the Workplace, Education Development Officer in Vocational Education and Training oleh Rachel, tesis 2020. Dia mulakan sini for example, Hati 2003 report that students make up about 50% of the variance of learning achievement and teachers about 30%. Thus being the second greatest source of the variance in learning. However, resource and the interventions are sometimes provided elsewhere when a policy reform are announced, new curricula introduced and facilitate expand instead of benefiting teachers who have to carry out this change and have the close interaction with the influence of the student. Yang macam kita lah sekarang ni berlaku bila bertukar polisi, tukar sistem atau tukar kerajaan, that the issues lah. Tapi kat sini kita nak belajar dalam perkataan however tu. Okay, tajuk yang ke-24, Childhood in Hong Kong, Perspective from Children's Safety, Mobility and Wellbeing oleh Leung, tesis tahun 2020. Okay, children's road safety knowledge and road crossing ability has also been readily examined in the past literature, again primarily from the Western perspective. So banyaklah orang kaji. However, it is of much important firstly to cover the topic children road safety and mobility within the context of Hong Kong. Walau bagaimana banyak di-cover oleh kajian-kajian luar ataupun luar negara, ini kita orang Malaysia kena belajar penulisan however ni. Kita memang dapat banyak jumpa kajian-kajian lepas di negara luar, tapi kat negara kita belum lagi. Macam mana kita nak buat ayat? Ini contoh ayat. However, it is of much important firstly cover the topic dia lah, of children road safety and mobility within the context of Hong Kong. Kalau kita context of Malaysia, because bagi justifikasi, because there have been no previous study that have been dia kata because there have been no previous study that have done so. Nak tunjuk beritahu lah. Jadi kita boleh gunakan ayat yang sama. Okay, tajuk yang ke-25, early cognitive training using dynamic assessment and mediate learning for preschoolers with a developmental delay, the Think Bright Project. Daripada tesis 2019 oleh Alice. With the introduction of inclusive education in Hong Kong in the century, more and more preschool children with a mild grade disability enroll in mainstream kindergartens. Okay. Many of them, however, encounter learning difficulty as they advance to higher grades. Jadi many of them, however, walaupun ramai antara mereka encounter learning difficulties, they advance to higher grades. Okay, tajuk yang ke-26, the role of career-related teacher support and parental support in career adaptability and vocational identity. So ini tesis tu tahun 2009 oleh Zhang Ho Zhang. Okay, during this period, the student have to vital development tasks, including the development of occupational identity and the choice of satisfying career paths. Okay, saya ulang. During this period, the student have two vital development tasks, okay, including development of an occupational identity and the choice of satisfying career paths. However, according to research finding, technical education students themselves are more likely to report less in-depth career exploration and identification with career commitment and more career flexibility and career self-doubt than students from academically theoretical schools. Jadi nak tunjukkan ini satu je ayat yang menarik. So dia bagi ini dengan justifikasi, dengan ada citation sebagai support juga hujah dia. Okay, tajuk yang ke-27, toward a comprehensive assessment system through teacher collaboration, interaction ethnographic study in Hong Kong. Okay, Lau daripada 2019. Okay, mainly the mechanism of teacher collaboration is evidence in study how the routine both promotes and restrict professional learning opportunities. However, the research base aim at fostering improvement through teacher collaboration is limited and the role of assessment remain unclear. Jadi lagi sekali bagaimana however digunakan untuk menegaskan perkara penting dalam penyelidikan dia. Dia kata however the research base aim at fostering improvement through teacher collaboration is limited and the role of assessment remain unclear. Nampak tak kuat? Siap ada citation lagi. Tajuk yang ke-28, examining pedagogy intervention in learning activities of mathematics through analysis of fine-grained student behavior by Shum Kam Hong, tesis Ogos 2020. Okay, Suh suggests that learning diversity in mathematics can be addressed effectively by different features of technology. Ini biasa ni sekarang ni. Tengok ayat dia. Suggests that learning diversity in mathematics can be addressed effectively by different features of technology. However, to allow students with diverse needs, readiness, interest, and cognitive strength to get the most out of the technology, teachers are required to understand the affordance gained by technology that can address diverse needs of students in learning mathematics. Okay, plus juga ada sumber juga citation lah. Jadi kat sini kita nampak macam mana gunaan perkataan however dia sangat penting. Kenapa saya mengambil masa selama 5 siri baru saya dapatkan. Ini pun kalau tanya saya tak puas, saya nak lagi. Saya tak tahu kalau you all dah puas dah. Bagi saya kita dah pergi ke 28 ni pun rasa macam tak cukup kita dah explore 28 however kan. Jadi kita dah cover 28 contoh perenggan untuk kita belajar tentang however. Jadi banyak gunakan however, dia boleh jadi menyokong. Biasanya dia nak kontras lah. Kalau dia sokong, dia akan jadi perlawanan. Okay, kalau nak beritahu kebanyakan orang buat benda ni, so you nak beritahu bahawa orang yang ni orang tak cover lah. Jadi however tu banyak digunakan untuk sintesis, especially nak menggantikan research gap ataupun nak reflect, nak shift, nak tunjukkan dalam keadaan sebaliknya, ataupun apa yang kita terlepas pandang, apa yang sepatutnya. Jadi itu gunakan perkataan however. Jadi terima kasih banyak-banyak semua. Pakcik ringkaskan tadi. kita dah berbincangkan 28 perkara berkaitan however. Tengoklah slide ni dan dengar video ni kembali. Jadi ada apa-apa yang kurang daripada pakcik dari segi sebutan English pakcik tak betul tu, pakcik mohon maaf. Niat pakcik cuma nak berkongsi supaya nampak kecil perkataan however, tapi macam mana kita dapat belajar daripada 28 contoh daripada 28 thesis juga. Okay, jadi saya ambil daripada HKU Scholar dan bagi saya memang saya tak tahu, saya daripada dulu lagi 2000, saya buat PhD bila 2009 asal cerita. Bila 2009 saya dah start explore dia orang, memang best lah tesis dia orang dan banyak juga yang pakcik belajar. Jadi bila pakcik buat 28 ni pun pakcik belajar juga. Okey, terima kasih lagi sekali. Okey, kita jumpa untuk siri video yang akan datang. Terima kasih lagi sekali. Assalamualaikum, selamat sejahtera dan selamat malam. Terima kasih.